Hello everyone. Today we are making this video to explain you the benefits and uses of Natural C, which is an Amway product, Nutrilite Natural C. And now I'm going to explain you why this is essential for our body and what type of essential vitamins it contains. It contains vitamin C, which is a type of antioxidants, support immune system and helps neutralizing free radical damage. Okay. We will show you the working also, how it works in our liver and how it removes all the pollutants from our body. As you can see on your Natural C here on the package, some nutritional information is given. You can read all this for your convenience, and ingredients too are given, and some nutritional facts also. For your convenience, I will tell something about Natural C to you. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what are the benefits and features of Natural C. Vitamin C supports normal functioning of immune system and helps to neutralize the free radical damage, as I have told you earlier. And now second is, with the goodness of acerola cherry, support your daily requirement of vitamin C with Nutrilite Natural C. Okay, this is sufficient information about Natural C, and now we will show you how it works. Okay, we need some ingredients like haldi, potato, and this is what crushed tablet, and this is betadine. Okay, so now we are going to explain you the working. First we will take some water in a glass. फिर हम लोग उसमें शेक करके एक बीटाडीन डालेंगे. बीटाडीन हमारा पॉल्यूटेंट की तरह काम करेगा. और फिर हम लोग क्रश्ड टैबलेट डालेंगे नेचुरल सी की. Now you can see how it removes all the pollutants from our body. As you can see, पूरा पानी साफ हो चुका है जैसे पहले था. So this is the proof why we always suggest you to take the Natural C. Again we will have some betadine in water. Again it removes all the pollutants, as betadine is working as a pollutant in our body. Now we will take turmeric or haldi. Now we will use some turmeric. As we know, turmeric works as a detector, so we will show that the Natural C is not harmful in any way. अगर हार्मफुल होता तो ये रेड में हो जाता, लेकिन अगर हार्मफुल नहीं है तो इट रिमेन्स सेम एज इट इज. You can see, yeah, all right, little bit chemistry, yeah. Okay, then now we will do another working of Natural C. We will take potato. हम लोग पोटैटो को काट लेंगे, वो हमारे लीवर की तरह काम करेगा. फिर उसके बाद हम लोग उसमें थोड़ा सा बीटाडीन डालेंगे, जो कि पॉल्यूटेंट की तरह काम करेगा. हमारे लीवर में जितनी भी गंदगियाँ होती हैं उन सब की तरह काम करेगा बीटाडीन. Natural C is really very efficient tablet for our body, especially in 2020 when COVID-19 जैसी बीमारियां फैल रही हैं. हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है Natural C. We will take tablet of natural C and we will crush it as our crushed tablet was finished. Okay, we will not crush it. हम लोग जस्ट उस पर बस मलते जाएंगे ऐसे, बस दिखाते जाएंगे कैसे हटा रहे पोल्यूटेंट. It will take little bit time, but it works. As you can see, how I'm really surprised actually how efficient it is. Really, oh my god, it's same for another potato lever. Actually, body does not make or store vitamin C, therefore it needs to be replenished every day through our diet. But our test-placed lifestyle and erratic eating habits makes it difficult to ensure a diet that can fulfill the daily recommended quantity of this important nutrient. Nutrilite Natural C contains isolated vitamin C and acerola cherry concentrates, as I have told earlier. Acerola cherry is one of the richest known source of vitamin C, are grown in Nutrilite farms. It also contains citrus bioflavonoids. These are naturally associated with vitamin C in citrus fruits. Each tablet of Nutrilite Natural C provides 40 milligram of vitamin C. 40 milligram. As you can see, I have given you sufficient information, and now this potato is cleared. Actually, पहले से ज़्यादा साफ हो गया है. As you can see how this tablet is sufficient. So thank you for watching our video.